Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I will show you how you can check your iPhone battery original or fake. Okay, as you can see right now I'm using iPhone XS Max, and when I check that iPhone battery, you can see appears on screen, tap on setting, tap on battery. You can see appears on screen right now there is no option showing that this iPhone battery original or fake. So how to check that? First of all, you need to close that. Okay, after closing that you need to open Safari browser. Okay, and search here a shortcut power. Okay, power utl. You can see appears on screen right now, tap on that. After that you can see appears on screen, tap on add shortcut. I'm already at that shortcut on my iPhone. So after that you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to scroll down and you can see appears on screen privacy and security. Tap on that. After tapping the privacy and security you need to scroll down. Okay, scroll down again and you can see appears on screen analytics and improvements. Tap on that. Okay, now you can see appears on screen analytics data. Tap on that also. You can see appears on screen on the top. Tap on that and tap on share. You can see appears on screen right now, share. Now scroll down and tap on power utl. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Okay, now you can see appears on screen allow power until to open web content with one number. Okay, tap on allow once. It will take some time. Now you can see appears on screen showing here cycle count and average temperature, also showing here maximum battery capacity. Okay, you can see appears on screen it's showing 86% battery health right now in that shortcut. Okay, if you can't see battery health in that shortcut, it's mean your iPhone battery is fake. So after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to check iPhone battery original or fake. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.